You're a busy parent with no food in the fridge, and the kids are starving. What do? Keep non-perishable items like pasta, rice, and canned goods on hand. These staples can be used to make a variety of meals, even when the fridge is empty. Consider stocking up on canned vegetables, beans, and tomatoes. Eggs are a versatile and affordable protein source that can be used in many dishes. Scrambled eggs, fried eggs, or egg salad are all easy to make and require minimal ingredients. Boil some eggs and keep them in the fridge for a quick snack. Canned goods like beans, vegetables, and fruits can be just as nutritious as fresh options. Look for low-sodium options and rinse with water to remove excess salt. Add canned goods to eggs or pasta for a filling meal. One-pot meals like pasta with marinara sauce or fried rice with eggs are easy to make and require minimal cleanup. These meals can be made with just a few ingredients and are perfect for busy parents. Use a large skillet or pot to cook everything together. Bread can be used to make a variety of meals, from sandwiches to toast with eggs. Keep a loaf of bread in the pantry or freezer for emergency situations. Consider stocking up on whole grain options for a healthier choice. Try this meal next time you're in a pinch. Like and subscribe for more parenting tips and recipe ideas.